everybody, welcome back to my channel. I went to Buffalo yesterday, which I think will be the video before this one, and Amelia and I just went for a few hours and I went to Target and Trader Joe's, two of my absolute favorite stores. I miss them probably the most out of everything living in Canada, because if you don't know, Canada has no Target and no Trader Joe's, sadly. So whenever we get the chance to drive to Buffalo, it's only about an hour and a half, we make sure to stop at both those places and spend as much time as we possibly can. So I thought I would show you a little haul of what I got. I didn't get a ton of stuff, but I thought I picked up a few cute and interesting items from both stores. So I'll start out with Target, my favorite. So of course you can't go into Target without spending a lot of time in their dollar section, and I'm surprised that I didn't get as much stuff, but a lot of what was there was 4th of July themed, and we celebrate Canada Day, so I wasn't gonna get 4th of July themed stuff, but I still got a few cute things. So the first thing that I got was this for my bullet journal. This says like Girl Boss, Boss Notes, Girl Squad, Boss Notes, and then Girl Squad stuff and things. And I like adding these into my bullet journal for like extra notes or just reminding myself around the house of things that I need to do. And this was $1. Super cute. My dad says 1 p.m. Then I got this. This is the Apple Watch band, which I have Andrew's Apple Watch. He doesn't wear it, so I wear it. And I have a gold band, but I don't like it that much anymore. This was $5 for like a gray rubber one, and I thought this was really nice for the summer. And I don't know, just for $5 for a band, why not try it out? I also picked up at Target this Vanilla Orchid Rollerball perfume, and this is by Good Chemistry, and what I loved about this is it's made with essential oils. I smelled the perfume and it smelled so nice. This is a little actually surprisingly strong, but it is Tahitian vanilla, orange blossom, and tonka bean. Because it matters to us, this perfume is vegan, cruelty-free with essential oils. We're really happy that it doesn't contain parabens or propylene glycol. So apply to pulse points, wrists, and neck to stimulate senses. And this smells so pretty. It's very strong, but it's very nice. And anything that's like essential oils or natural, I'm all about. So I thought that this was really nice. They had such great vegan and natural products at Target. Since I've moved, which was now, we're coming up to 2 years, I feel like Target has totally revamped, especially their beauty, and they have so many more brands and selections. It's awesome. I found 3 Dogs Bakery cake mix because it was Walter's birthday and we still have to celebrate it, and I can't not celebrate Walter's birthday. And I found this vanilla flavored cake, and it even has frosting. How adorable is that? So I'm gonna make this, and you just add honey, oil, unsweetened applesauce. I love Target. Isn't this so cute? Okay. Then this was Andrew's request. This bag is Andrew's request, and he searched all over where we live at every grocery store and he could not find it, and it is American only. It is the Lucky Charms and Frosted Flakes. This is totally American. So instead of having the regular like Lucky Charms pieces in it, it's got Frosted Flakes. So you cannot 100% get this in Canada. You have to get it in the States. Same as Canada doesn't have Cheez-Its. So he wanted the Tabasco Cheez-Its. So we got that. And then I also picked up a painting from Target. Well, it's a canvas. I love it. Can you bring it to me? And I actually saw this online and I really like it. I thought it was bigger. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I wanted to put it over top of the couch, but it's not as big as I wanted it to, so I gotta figure it out. But I still love it. Isn't that really pretty? Like, I just love this. I love the colors. It's so serene, very my style. Oops. I absolutely love it, and I'm so happy. Amy Lee was like, get it, you love it, and I don't have really any art on the wall, and anyways, I really like it. So that was it from Target. Really quickly into Trader Joe's. I only have one bag. It wasn't a huge haul. It's just things that we are going to eat when we go to the cottage. Well, I actually probably won't eat them, but they're for everybody. I love these veggie tortilla chips. They're veggie flaxseed tortilla chips, carrot and tomato, spinach and garlic, red beet and onion. And I will eat these, but I'm saving them for when we have our holiday in a week and a half. And this is new. Andrew, I don't know if you saw this. They're churro bites. Churro bites. I saw these. These are a new item, I'm pretty sure, and they're crispy baked corn puffs coated with cinnamon and brown sugar. And I thought that would be fun to try. The stinky thing is that when you go to Trader Joe's and you find something that you like to try, you can't just run out and get another bag. You have to wait till you go back to Buffalo. So I thought this would be fun at the cottage. These are my favorite ginger snap cookies. These are great with coffee, and they're so small. They're nice to put out at night when everyone's hanging out and getting a tea or coffee, and they're super yummy. The next thing that I got was this campfire s'mores bar. I thought very cottagey, just to try it. Everyone can kind of have a piece, and it's got the graham cracker and the marshmallow with the chocolate. Why not? Very cottage-esque. Okay, this next thing was brand new. I'm pretty sure it's new to me, but I thought it was on the new section. It's called Pinks and Whites, and it's shortbread cookies with yogurt coating and sprinkles. This just looks absolutely divine. They look delicious, so good. Again, another great thing to snack on at night. And the last thing that I picked up, this was Trader Joe's barbecue rub seasoning with coffee and garlic, and I thought this looked or sounded super yummy. It says Trader Joe's barbecue rub seasoning is a delicious blend of coffee, garlic, paprika with brown sugar and sea salt for balance. For the best flavor, generously coat steaks or any cut of meat or poultry an hour or longer before cooking. And I thought I'd bring this to the cottage because we're going to be doing a lot of barbecuing, and this would be fantastic to try. What is not being shown here is the 3 cases of pineapple Dasani that I purchased for that week. They're in my sister's car. Also, we were really looking for the LaCroix key lime flavor, but we could not find that, so that was a big bummer. Anyways, that is it for my little Trader Joe's and Target haul. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to see the vlog from our shopping trip in Buffalo, I'll have the link somewhere around here or down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you again for another video. Bye!